Bow. Bow. Bow, 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 bow. Hey, look who's here. Come in, come in. It feels like weeks since I saw you. Yeah, I know it was only this morning. Hold on. Aw, you got tacos without me? I don't know if that's cool, bud. I'm messing with you. It's chill. Come in. Have you been? In like 5 hours since I saw you last. I swear it felt longer. Nice. To be honest, I haven't really done much. I tried studying on my own for a while, but then I remembered I hadn't had lunch yet. So I did that and tried again. And then I remembered that band you showed me dropped a new music video today. So I watched that once or twice, or 6 times. It's really good. Have you seen it yet? Oh, right, yeah. So I tried again, but then that bird was out on the balcony again. You know, the little songbird that comes by sometimes. So I went out to say hi to him. What were we doing again? Oh, right, studying. Sorry. I did eventually get to that, but, well, look at this page here. The text is, yeah, it's in a weird color. And it's against another weird color, and I, can't really do colors. Thanks, bud. I don't know what I'd do without you. Okay, now we can... Do you want anything to eat or drink? I've mostly just got meat and water, but... No? Alright. Let me know if you do. Now let's start. So, I don't get this part here, based on what we've been taught so far. Putting these two things together should do that. Yet, it looks like something totally different is happening here. Any idea what that's about? Oh, okay, I gotcha. This can be so confusing sometimes. It's like that movie we found the other day. You remember that? That Russian art house movie from the 70s? About those guys going into some kind of trippy ruins and looking for some magical thing? What was it called? Oh wait, sorry. Okay, let's continue. Huh? Oh, I was just thinking about the music video then. Didn't the band get into a car crash while filming it? I hope they're okay. So, back to studying? What? Yeah, I suppose I dozed off. Sorry to be honest, I kinda stayed up until 4 this morning, watching conspiracy theory videos on YouTube. Did you hear the one about how the Egyptian pyramids might have been some kind of ancient machines? Apparently some... What's the word? Hieroglyphics? I don't know the word. But they were found in some of them. Depicted modern-looking technology, or even stuff that looked futuristic, and the researchers found some kind of mechanism really deep inside them, but they didn't know how to work them. And the Egyptian government sent them like C's and desist letters when they tried to examine them more or something. And do I not want to study today? Oh, we really should. The exam is next week, and you want me to study with you. Honestly, I feel like I'm letting you down right now. You sure? I mean, I suppose my head's not really in it right now. But are you sure you don't want to get an early start on it? Well, if you insist. Yo, it's probably getting close to dinner time. Oh, it's only 3:30? Well, you want to go get some snacks anyway? Yeah, buddy. I've been inside way too long. Let's hit up the supermarket. It's not that far, is it? Okay. Maybe it is. I would rather walk than drive, though. You want to just go to that convenience store down the street? Alright, let's go.